Sopoka introduced the residual current circuit breaker R20 model, which integrates a single pole and triple pole breaker with a neutral conductor connection. It supports rated voltages of 240 volt and 415 volt, offers a wide current range, and provides leakage and isolation protection by IEC EN 61008-1 standard. Available in AC and A types, it features an electrical lifetime of 4,000 operations and a mechanical lifetime of 1,000 operations. It has a large 25mm wiring hole for ease of installation and uses a PA66 base material, heat-resistant up to 960 Celsius degrees. Choosing a good quality electrical devices is a way to protect your safety and the whole family. Sopoka, worth the money.